Hello everyone, it's Dave Lamoste, and today we're back with another laboratory in which for our fifth laboratory exercise we have the API development. So we have to create a simple RESTful API using chosen framework, then implement CRUD operation. So I have chosen a to-do list API using the Express.js framework. Okay, let's proceed. So I've created here server.js, which will serve as our server or the to-do list API. I've also implemented the CRUD functions here, in which also take note that we're implementing only in memory database, so we haven't this is just for demonstrational purposes, in which we haven't set up our SQL or other external databases. So it's just an in-memory database for the server.js node specifically. Okay, so we have the create here. I've also added, of course, the read and the update, and then the delete. So the CRUD composed of create, read, update, and delete methods. So we had to make sure that they're all implemented here. And then I have my notes here, in which I'll put in my uh, description, so that you can follow the you can follow and try it on your own. Okay, so we'll be using the to-do list API using the Express framework. Okay, first we need to initialize our project, so make sure that you're in your project folder when running this. Okay, so open our terminal, then paste that. So we have to make sure that our Node.js project is initialized on our correct project folder, and then we have to install the web framework Express. Okay, after that we have to run our server.js. So the server.js file, I'll also upload this on the link description. So let's run the node server. So you should see something like this. So once we see something like this, we can proceed with testing the endpoints. Okay, for the testing, I'm using curl. So we had to run this on PowerShell. Git bash, I mean, sorry. Git bash, then so make sure you have git bash installed and ready. Okay, so let's try posting something. Okay, let's post our here application type JSON, then we have the title finish lab 5, description, then complete REST API exercise as a description. So let's paste it here, and then hit enter. So we get a message here: task added successfully, to do ID title finish lab 5 description, complete REST API exercise completed, false, because we haven't updated it to be completed yet. So that's why we're getting false. So let's try getting all of the tasks. Okay, so we got a list here saying that they're not completed yet. So let's try getting a task by ID. So take note that you can't control V here or paste here using your hotkeys on bash, because this is what you'll get. Okay, so you have to right click and paste it, then enter. So we only get the first task in which um, this is the only task that we have set in our server.js. So we're only getting one for here, and yeah, that's like just like this, okay. So let's try updating it to be true. Task completed equals true. Okay, now let's try delete the task deleted, and then let's recheck if it's actually deleted. Task not found. Okay, so as you can see, we have successfully implemented our um, RESTful API using our using Express framework. So implementing CRUD operation with a simple to-do list system. So that's it, and thank you very much for watching. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment down below, and see you in the next laboratory. Thank you.